Hey y'all, this is me, Vintage Southern Fan Collector, back with the ceiling fan video. And today I have this unknown ceiling fan. I got this from Salvation Army. And I don't know what this fan is, so if I do find it out, I'll change the title of the video. But this fan is kind of different looking, or it has a different feel to it, because if you take a look at this light, switch cap feels a little different, so maybe this might help to identify what fan this is. But I had to replace the pull chain on the fan and light. It used to be just all four, but now I converted it to a three-way. Now let's go to low. We're going to turn two of the lights on. Just do it like that. Let's go to medium. When I got this fan at first, it was stuck, like the bearings were seized. And I thought, man, this thing really needed some WD-40, but I ended up putting Zoom spout in it because I didn't want to make the bearings have no lubrication in it. Here's the light. Now let's go to high speed. All the lights on. As you can see, it wobbles just like any other fan. Let you guys get a closer look. Shut the light off. Now let's do the somewhat spin down. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys from the next one.